In pharma sales management, during the sales review meetings, when we often listen that your doctor list is not correct, or you are not covering all important doctor of the city or the territory. And when a new senior manager joins a pharma company, he or she has his own observation that Dr. X or Dr. Y are not in the list, or your doctor list do not have all the important doctor of the city or the territory. One important, or can say interesting fact is that when the next manager join, he or she will also have similar observation. Means when manager A join an organization, he will make a comment on doctor list and blame this is the core issue of why business is not coming or business not growing as per us. Now we expect that he or she will get it corrected. But after some month or maybe years, you can say, when manager B join, he or she will also have similar observation. This means that doctor list is the continuously under attack. And one aspect is that more often we are in the fault finding mode in the pharma setup. Means when a new manager come, his the first observations are there certain fault finding, what are the core issue, what is the problem, and after some month everything settle down, and when the next manager come, he also finds certain fault, and the fault never get corrected probably. Anyway, coming back on the core issue, why any company or any division or any medical rep need to cover all important doctor of the territory? Why such things? Nobody knows probably. And what is the definition of this so-called important? What is the meaning of important doctor? Whether this important doctor is some Neta doctor or some KOL doctor or doctors who are active in the associations or the KBLs of the some territory, or you can say yesteryear star doctors who are writing maximum for this company or who was writing for this earlier this company. So this need to be made clear. What is the meaning of the most important? See, Dr. A will be important for manager X or company X, and Dr. B can be important for manager B or company B, which means different doctor can be important for different managers and different doctors can be important for different companies. So we need to very clear about what is the meaning of important. If it does not clarify this, that these kind of issues, these kind of things will keep on happening and will be all wastage of the money and the resource of the company. Here I'll make 6 basic point how we should define the important doctors in this regard overall. Number 1 is that, see, different doctor will be important for different companies, not only based on their potential for the company, but who suits the promotion mix of that company. So different company you see have different promotion mix, and different doctor may be good fitment in that promotion mix, and different doctor may not be good good fit for promotion mix. Company A is based on the scientific promotion. Some doctor may like the scientific promotion, so that's a good doctor, important doctor. Other company who are operating in CRM way, the same doctor become the bad doctor. So it's not the doctor good or bad, it's doctor important, non-important. It's all about who is suiting our promotion mix at that point of time. Second point, that doctors who were important yesterday may not be important today, and vice versa also. Some doctor may be having very good practice few years back, today he may not be having. Some doctor may be writing prescription some year back, today he may be turning dispensing. Means it's a business model of the doctor also may change. Some doctor may be the government doctor yesterday and he may be not able to write much of this. Today he has come out in the private, he can become again important. So this is something dynamic which keep on changing. Point number 3, with the changing dynamics of the market, some doctor may be big in their practice but may not be important for that company. For example, certain government doctor, the big institute doctors, they are big, they can be QL also, they can be big Neta also, but at the same time, because our products are not available there, our products are not available nearby pharmacy, or the government pharmacy is available product there, they may not be important for our company. So in the changing dynamics, again we need to think what is important. It's not about important for the public, important for society. We need to look at a business point of view also. Fourth point is, see, we are a commercial organization, any company, because all the companies are in the commercial organization, hardly in the government sector is there now in pharma. So as a commercial organization, we need to cover those doctors who are important for us now and in the current dynamics of the market and in the current promotion mix of the company, not which was important yesterday or which will be important tomorrow, or which with the different dynamics or different, you can say, different promotion mix. So we need to see current dynamics, current promotion mix setup, and that makes a doctor important or less important or more important. Point number 5th, as a company does not represent government or census commission to cover all the doctor. It does not make sense because we are a pharma company. Let us cover all the doctors. In India, there may be several lakh of doctors. None of the companies are covering. So we are not supposed to cover also. We need to cover those doctors who make important business contribution to us, or who can make a business contribution to us in the current dynamics and in the current product promotion mix. So that also should be very, very clear instead of any kind of blame game. And 6th point is that the frequent change in the doctor list or our input matrix is not a great idea in any case. As manager need to understand company background, business source background, and the contributing doctor also before passing such kind of judgment. When we joined any pharma company, that company may be getting a business from certain set of doctor, and that set of doctor may not be supporting me in my past company. But for this company, they are the important doctors. Or this kind of promotion mix, they are the important doctors. Or this kind of, because they have been contributing whatever may be reason, this makes important. So it's not my personal wish list. I need to see with the lens of the company I joined, because that make more sense rather than bringing my old things into the new system. I hope these 5-6 points, if we make a little more understanding, and will save a lot of time, and we can have a much better doctor list instead of so-called important doctor list or all important doctor list, and all the wastage can be saved.